We drink water from the sink, bathe in the bathtub, and flush the toilet. But where does all that water go? When water and other debris go down the drains, the pipes underground carry the sewage to local wastewater treatment plants. This is a wastewater treatment plant. There are more than 16,000 of these plants throughout the United States. We often don't see these treatment plants, but they are essential to our daily lives. The first step for our wastewater, known as influent, is to go through the bar rack. The bar rack consists of screens designed to filter out larger masses in the sewage to prevent damage of equipment. Once these objects are removed, the influent travels to the grit remover. Grit includes heavy solid materials that cannot be broken down like organic matter. In vortex grit removal, a circular tank is used with rotors to control the velocity of the sewage, which separates the grit through gravity. Now, the influent is ready for the primary clarifier. With time, solids in the wastewater, also known as sludge, will settle towards the bottom of the tank, while fats, oils, and greases, also known as fogs, rise to the surface. As this happens, a large mechanical arm scrapes the bottom of the tank to remove the sludge, and a skimmer arm scrapes the top of the water to remove any fogs. The sludge that is removed from the primary clarifier is then sent to the anaerobic digester to be broken down. Here, microorganisms remove excess water in the sludge without using any oxygen. Meanwhile, the clarified wastewater passes through a trickling filter. In this filter, a large rotating arm releases the wastewater onto a layer of plastic media below. The plastic mesh separates all the algae and allows it to clump together. Next is the aeration tank, where organic matter breaks down further. Air blowers in the tank create oxygen bubbles in the water. Simultaneously, activated sludge containing microorganisms is mixed in. The combination of microorganisms and oxygen results in aerobic digestion, which allows for the decomposition of harmful substances such as ammonia. After going through the aerobic digestion process, the influent and sludge are pumped into the secondary clarifiers to allow for the algae and other large particles to settle one last time. Now it's time for disinfection. At this point, 85% of the organic matter in the water has been removed. The water can either be treated with chlorine, ozone, or ultraviolet. Ultraviolet radiation works by sterilizing the bacteria in the water, making them harmless as they cannot multiply. Finally, in just 24 to 36 hours, the water is back where it started. Next time you brush your teeth, wash the dishes, or even take a shower, think about all the complex yet hidden systems that sustain our lives.